Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the DEEPOWER H20PRO electric bicycle. This incredible Ebike is the perfect choice for anyone looking for an efficient and convenient mode of transportation. With a powerful 2000W motor and a 48 V25Ah battery, this electric mountain bike is capable of taking you wherever you need to go with ease. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or just enjoying a leisurely ride, the DEEPOWER H20PRO has got you covered. Any of the standout features of this Ebike is its hydraulic brake system, which provides reliable stopping power and control in any situation. The 4.0 fat tires make it suitable for all terrains and provide a smooth and comfortable ride. Not only is this Ebike powerful and practical, but it's also incredibly portable and easy to store thanks to its folding design. This makes it the perfect choice for anyone with limited storage space or for those who like to take their bike on the go. In addition to its impressive performance and convenience, the DEEPOWER H20PRO is also built to last. With a durable aluminum alloy frame and quality components, you can trust that this Ebike will stand the test of time. If you're ready to take your cycling experience to the next level, then I highly recommend checking out the DEEPOWER H20PRO electric bicycle. You can find a link to purchase this amazing Ebike in the description below. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own this top-of-line electric mountain bike. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations.